Another Tales from the Bike. I've really been less than enchanted with Azerbaijan. There's been nothing here. It's about 9 o'clock. I turned down this road to look for a place to sleep. This is like a fishing port, I think. There's a bunch of stuff down there. I reckon that's the Caspian Sea. I mean, it's a sea. I thought I had to arrive in Baku to see it, but which kind of confuses me as to where I am right now on the map. But I'm about 50 kilometers from Baku. Turned down this road, went all the way down, asked some security guards, nothing. And I had previously asked right here, that building on the right, the tall one, it's like the, I don't know, like security headquarters for the area. They said no, and then I went back and asked, and the guy said sure, whatever. So we're setting up shop right here. Again, less than enchanted with this country, but it's tough to argue with sunsets like that. Pretty stunning. I get to Baku tomorrow. I'm really excited. Have some couch surfing to do, and I think I have 2 different hosts. One's having a party in a few days, so I'm excited for that. It's meant to be a really cool city. An English speaker today told me it's turning into Paris. Everyone says, oh, this is the Paris of the, I don't know, Africa, or the Paris of the Middle East. Hope they don't say it about Baku, because I just don't like that term. But yeah, this is Will setting up camp in a pretty weird country. It's further weird because I really just don't speak Russian, and it's getting to the point where, I mean, I want to learn. I knew I'd have to learn, but now, like, when I get to Baku, I'm gonna teach myself some Russian, because people start speaking Azeri, and then they sort of are like, oh, but you don't understand, but you speak Russian, of course, right? I'm like, I really don't. I can't even communicate like bread or tomatoes or anything at all. Apparently Azeri and Turkish are pretty similar, because I've been saying Turkish words and people understand. This sunset's spectacular. Hope the camera captures it justly. This is Will in an industrial compound of sorts, setting up shop. Yeah, 50K to Baku. I did about 130 today. The road was flat, and just so boring. So boring. There's nothing to do but just cruise along and just pedal as fast as you can to get to Baku. This is Will signing off, I guess. I guess in the next one I'll explain the Kazakh desert steppe coming up. That should be wacky as shit. Hopefully I find someone to ride that with, because that's what's up next. If I thought 500 kilometers across Azerbaijan was boring and monotonous, 500 kilometers from Aktau, which is the Kazakh port city, to the northwest corner border of Uzbekistan, that 500 kilometers is going to be far more boring than what I just did. This is Will, gorgeous sunset, 50 kilometers from Baku, Azerbaijan, setting up camp and signing off.